Guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here again for another cooking video. Tonight we're cooking a lovely honey soy chicken with noodles. We'll go over the ingredients with you and then we'll prep everything and that'll be that, and you'll just have a good time watching us. I've brought along my brother again.
Oh, I'm actually here this time.
For once. He's not actually going to feature for 5 seconds and then disappear off to a party. We've done chicken before on this channel, first video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. And so now we're gonna stick with the Asian theme and do something a little bit more of the same, really. It's getting cold out, you know, it's cold tonight, so you know the perfect sort of thing for a night out like tonight is like soup. So that's why we're doing chicken and noodles. I'm trying to be funny. I had thought of it in my head before, and it was actually going to be a lot better.
Insert studio audience laugh.
Alright, so the ingredients we're going to need for tonight's dish: more chicken, thanks for that, tree of broccoli, I believe it's called, another carrot, corn kernels,
brine.
you're going to need honey soy chicken stir fry sauce, an onion, so we'll probably cry, so you know.
Paddington 2.
Throw back to Paddington 2. Those who know will know. And some
Heineken.
some Hokkien noodles. Well, let's get this all prepped and we'll touch bases when we're finished. Whoa!
That is risky.
Right, so we've got all the veggies prepped and now we're just waiting for this wok to heat up a little bit, and then we'll chuck the chicken in until it's browned up, and then we will do some more stuff. Don't know. In the meantime, grab this for boiling the noodles in. So we've taken the chicken off heat, we've put the pot on to the heat now to boil. Before we stick on some lovely little sticky fire.
Wow. Hashtag culture.
Hashtag culture. Shout out to Hamish. I know you're watching this. So the water's now finally coming to a boil in what feels like an age. We're going to now put the noodles in. It says ready in 35 minutes, but I swear we've been going for almost an hour. Yep. Took all that yummy.
Are you sure you don't want to have a chocolate?
I don't want.
Pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil into a wok or deep frying. Add broccoli, carrot and onion.
On medium high.
Yeah. Cook until vegetables are soft, 5 to 7 minutes.
I'm a big boy. Call it drink, call me milk. Now it's time to cook the vegetables until they're nice and soft for this. Whoa! We are done. That, I have to say, is probably one of my most proudest moments in cooking history, in my cooking career. Absolutely smashed it, I think. We'll dish it up and you'll see my first reactions. We'll give this a try. Wink. Pretty good. Not bad. I rate that. How to smash it. Speaking of smashing it, be sure to smash like, smash subscribe, smash a comment, do all that stuff. Keep an eye out for next week. It'll be Tuesday at 8 o'clock. Follow my socials down below. My Instagram, my Twitter. I've got 2 Instagrams, so if you want to check both of them out. One of them's just a post of everything and the other one is a little bit more photography orientated. I will link his life, maybe. I don't know.
Until next time.
Until next time. See ya.